everyone. Welcome back to our channel Beyond Techno. Today, we are diving into a major tech shift between before cloud and after cloud. In the olden days of traditional infrastructure, running a business website or software was very hard because you had to buy and manage all your own physical computer equipment. Basically, in traditional IT infrastructure consists of physical components and software components, such as data centers, servers, networking hardware, and enterprise applications. Here, data centers are physical buildings where you can have servers, storage, and network resources. And servers are nothing but powerful computers. And networking hardware in the sense where you can have network interface cards, switches, routers, and cables. And enterprise applications are like web applications or desktop applications that are used by the company. Maintaining such an infrastructure involves significant costs and challenges. Basically, if you need a server, you have to buy it, install it, maintain it, and replace it. And also, you need to have a team to handle these servers. Before the cloud, it was a painful process because if you wanted to set up a digital business, that required physical infrastructure. In order to maintain physical infrastructure first, you had to buy the servers and you had to pay thousands of dollars upfront for heavy computer servers. And then you had to install and put them into a dedicated room with strong air conditioners, and it requires lots of power. After that, you had to maintain the servers. For maintaining servers, you need to hire an IT team because they can fix the machines when they get crashed. Also, you may have to replace the servers because if the hardware becomes old, performance could be slow. For every few years, it will be forcing you to buy new machines again. All these are painful processes, and it can be applied for networking cables, database disks, and user login security systems. So here money is wasted. You may doubt how money is wasted. We will discuss now. The biggest problem with the old way was trying to guess how many servers you needed. Imagine you run a flower shop. You get 100 website visitors a day, but on Valentine's Day, you get 10,000. For that, you had to buy enough expensive servers to handle that one big day so that your site would not crash. For the other 364 days of the year, those extra servers sat in your office doing absolutely nothing. You paid for power, cooling, and space for machines you rarely used. That's where money is wasted. Once we moved to the cloud changed computers into a utility just like electricity. Instead of owning a private generator for electricity, you simply plug into the grid and pay only for the power you use. Basically, if you need a server, you do not need to buy the server. You can pay the rent and use it. So there is no need to own the hardware team. And you can pay only for what you use. That means you can pay only for consumed resources. For example, let's say if you want to use the server for 1 hour, you only pay for 1 hour. You can scale and add capacity instantly. For example, on Valentine's Day, if the traffic peaks, the cloud automatically adds more computer power for your flower shop. When the holiday ends, the extra power turns off and you stop paying for it. And also in the cloud, there is no manual maintenance required. All are managed by the cloud. The cloud can handle all the physical repairs. Hardware updates automatically, so there is no stress. Finally, in traditional infrastructure, it's hard to manage, buy, and maintain with heavy cost. In cloud computing, it is easy to manage, and it's an on-demand resource model. That means whenever you need a resource, you can pay only for what you use. By using pay-as-go model, and it can scale and maintain automatically. So there is no stress. That's where cloud win the battle. That's it for today, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. I will reply soon. And please do like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps the channel out.